Hey friends, today we're learning colors and vehicles. Look at these surprise eggs. Are you ready to see what's inside? Wow, the surprise red egg is opening. Look, it's a red car. Cars go vroom vroom. Can you say car? Look, the orange egg is cracking. It's a bus. Beep beep. Can you say bus? What's inside the yellow egg? It's an ambulance. Nee-na, nee-na. Say ambulance. The green egg is opening on the farm. It's a tractor. Chug chug. Say tractor.
Let's drive in a circle. That was fun.
Wow, the blue egg is cracking. It's a fire truck. Woo woo. Can you say fire truck? Up in the sky, the purple egg is cracking. It's an airplane. Whoosh! Can you say airplane? Look, the black egg is opening. It's a bicycle. Ring ring. Can you say bicycle? What's inside the white egg? Open, open. Surprise! It's a boat. Splash, splash. Can you say boat? Well done, friends. You did amazing. We learned so many colors and vehicles. Great job. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.